First, let's take a look at how the Mopit vacuum system works. The vacuum motor and the vacuum hose pressurize the dirty water tank. The dirt and germs are then sucked up through the squeegee bar and the squeegee hose and deposited into the dirty water tank. If you have no suction or poor suction, here are some things to check. When you turn on the vacuum switch, can you hear the vacuum motor turn on? If not, there is either a problem with the charging system or the vacuum motor has failed. See the video on troubleshooting the charging system. If you can hear the vacuum motor turn on, then pull the vacuum hose out of the back of the dirty water tank. Put your hand over the opening of the vacuum hose and turn on the vacuum switch. If you can't feel suction in the vacuum hose, then the vacuum hose has most likely become disconnected from the vacuum mount. See our video for installing the vacuum hose. If the vacuum motor turns on and the vacuum hose is connected to the vacuum mount and you still don't have suction in the vacuum hose, then your vacuum motor has failed. If there is suction in the vacuum hose, then push the vacuum hose back into its port. Pull the squeegee hose out of its port, turn on the vacuum switch, and fill the squeegee hose port for suction. If you don't feel suction at the squeegee hose port, then make sure that the drain hose cap is on tight. Spray out the pipe behind the squeegee hose port to make sure that there is no blockage. Make sure that the vacuum filter inside the dirty water tank is clean. If it's dirty, then spray it with water until it's clean. Check to make sure that the cleanout cap on the front of the dirty water tank is screwed on tight. Now let's check again for suction at the squeegee hose port. If you can feel suction at the squeegee hose port, then the problem has to be somewhere between the squeegee bar and the squeegee hose port. Check to make sure that the squeegee is in the down position with the squeegee rubber touching the floor. Check to make sure that there is a white wheel on each side of the squeegee bar. If one wheel is missing, replace it, making sure to put the lock washer on the back side of the wheel. Make sure that your squeegee blade is in good condition. Squeegee blades should be replaced every 2 to 8 weeks. Make sure that the squeegee hose isn't clogged by flushing it out with water. The water flushed down the squeegee hose should come rushing out the squeegee bar. Call Spectrum with any questions.